Understanding ScienceDirect, a platform for knowledge. Today we are exploring ScienceDirect, one of the world's leading sources for scientific, technical and medical research. ScienceDirect is an online platform operated by Elsevier, providing access to a large collection of scientific and academic publications. It offers peer-reviewed journal articles, book chapters and reference works across a wide range of disciplines. Fields covered on ScienceDirect include life sciences, physical sciences, health sciences, social sciences and engineering, among many others. Some key features of ScienceDirect are access to over 18 million pieces of content, including more than 4,000 journals and 39,000 books. Advanced search tools to filter by publication year, document type or subject area. Personalized recommendations based on your reading habits. Options to download full-text PDFs or read online. Users can easily search for specific topics, authors or journals, and organize articles into reading lists for later use. To use ScienceDirect, you usually need access through a university, library subscription, or a personal account. Some articles are open access, meaning they are freely available to everyone. Open access articles can be read and downloaded without any cost, while other articles may require a subscription or purchase. ScienceDirect is crucial for students, researchers, and professionals because it provides reliable, peer-reviewed information. It helps in staying updated with the latest research developments and supports evidence-based learning and teaching. In summary, ScienceDirect is a trusted digital library where knowledge meets research. Whether you're writing a thesis, working on a research project, or simply curious to learn more, ScienceDirect offers a gateway to credible academic resources. Keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you for watching.